Hey guys, I have 3 fall candle holder ideas I wanted to share with you. These are all inexpensive and easy to make, you just need a little patience. Let's just dive right in and start with the easiest one. The first one is a 2-tone candle holder. Now this one is really easy to make. Just take a glass, clean it with alcohol, set it down face up, place a plastic bag on the inside, and simply spray paint the top part of the vase with your favorite color. Today I used the Krylon foil metallic spray paint in copper. To complete the candle, you'll need to add a candle on the inside, but I'll share a tip on that next time. The second one is a geometric Tealight candle holder. For this project, I grabbed 3 Tealight holders. Aren't they so cute? And 2 packs of the short LED candles, and 1 pack of the longer set of LED lights, all from the Dollar Tree. I purchased 2 packs to be able to use 3 of the bases, and I'll show you more about that later. The first thing that I did was remove the bulbs from the top of the LED light. Needle nose pliers works great for this. Now that's removed, I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and carve out 2 small slits opposite of each other. I bet you're curious why I carved out the slits. Well, remember the Tealight holders? It just so happens to have a bar that runs across the bottom of it, and I want to make sure the candles are level. I carved out slits on all 3 LED candles. Now I'm going to place each Tealight holder face down. Add a little bit of E6000 glue to the center, then add a little bit of hot glue on top of the LED candle, and attach them together and hold until the candle stands straight on its own. For me, it took about 1 minute. Next, I took a 3.5 by 5 picture frame and remove all the contents. I only wanted to use the piece of glass, but you could use the entire frame. I flipped the LED base over and placed a bit of E6000 to the center of the base, as well as hot glue. I placed the base down at the center back and in the front corners. Now it's time to place the holder in each base. Let's add the tea lights in them. What do you think so far? The third one is a copper Pinecone candle holder. Using my needle nose pliers, I plucked the scales off 2 Pinecones. This was not hard at all. It just took a little time to do, but I thought it was worth it in the end. Afterwards, I started adding hot glue to the glass in sections. Then I placed Pinecone scales on top one by one. For the next couple of rows, I overlapped the scales. Once I got to the bottom, I added the scales in reverse. You could leave it like this, but I decided to spray paint it in copper. simply add your candle inside and you're finished. Stay tuned to see how I added the candle. Which one would you make? Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you check out all of my videos and hit that subscribe button. If you like what I did, hit the like button too and share it with everyone. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, please be sure to stop by and say hello. I'm at Designs by Trisha on Instagram and at I'm Trisha JA on Facebook.